Hi all, this is Anu for MathSchool.1 and this is all about class 6 mathematics, and today we are going into chapter 1, that is knowing our numbers. So let's get started right away. Now numbers, as we see, they are called the Hindu-Arabic numerals. So what are Hindu-Arabic numerals? The numbers which we study or which we are used to do in mathematics are called Hindu-Arabic numerals, and this system is called Indian system. Where we use Hindu-Arabic numerals is called Indian system. We have another system of numeration which is called International System of Numeration. This is international system, and we also have another system of numerals which are called Roman numerals. So these are the prominent systems which we all should know about. So first we'll start with the Hindu-Arabic numerals. Hindu-Arabic numerals we have been seeing in the last classes, and we'll be seeing some huge place values in this class. Let me write down the place values first. Yes, we know about these place values, and we are going to see about lakh and crore in this class. So let us write some number 654012. So at random I write a number here. Now what does the Indian system using Hindu-Arabic numerals tells us is the method of naming the numbers goes by putting commas. See, when you observe from the right, you need to put comma after 3 numbers first, then 3 places, then 2 places. So for every 2 places you put a comma after putting a comma in the 3 places, first 3 places. Okay, so now how it is named, how the number is named. The number named here is, see, after 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore and 10 crore, isn't it? So we name it as 82 crore 36 lakh. Just read the number here with the place value. 36 lakh 54,000 and 12. Just 12 because we don't have any number in the hundreds place. We write just 12. So now do you understand how to name the number? Up to 10 crore I have written. So you have named the number, isn't it? So how does a number form? We see that these numerals are called Hindu-Arabic numerals, and each one is called digits. So we build a number using digits. Okay. Now how do we build numbers using digits? Like I write some 6 digits here. Okay, so you need to build a number which has 6 digits. Okay, you can build any number using 6 digits. There can be any number of combinations, but my concern here is I ask you to build the greatest number and the smallest number using these 6 digits. So how do we do that? We know that smallest digit always starts with a smaller number, isn't it? So the greater place value should have a smaller number to form a smallest digit. So I write the smallest digit first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've written here. Now let us name it. So put commas according to the Indian system. First 3 digits and then 2 digits. So I name it as, first I write the place values, and then I name this as 1,23,456. So this is my smallest number which can be built out of these 6 digits. Okay, so now the greatest number has to start with the greatest digit. digit, isn't it? So 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so this is my largest digit and I name it as 6,54,321. So this is my greatest digit which can be formed out of these 6 digits. When you observe, the digits used to build the number has not been repeated because as many digits are there, I have used the same number of digits in the number. Okay, so if you are asked more than that, see, you are given with only 6 digits and I have asked you to build a number only with 6 digits. Suppose in case if you are asked to build a number with 7 digits or 8 digits, more than the number of digits given, then what you need to do is, we can't bring a new number inside, isn't it? So we need to repeat the number, we need to repeat the digit which is already given there. So let us try an example to build a number by repetition of digits. See, I need to build the same question. I need to build the smallest number with the 6 digits, but it should have 7 digits. Okay, 7 digits in it. So I need to build a number with 7 digits. That should be smallest and the greatest. So what is the smallest number here? 1. But since I have only 6 digits, I need to form a number with 7 digits. I can repeat the number. So how will the smallest digit be, smallest number be? I should repeat the smallest digit again, isn't it? So to build a smallest number, I need to repeat the smallest digit again. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this will be my number, smallest number with the given 6 digits. 7 digit smallest number with a given 6 digits. So this will be named as 11,23,456. So now what is my greatest digit? Again, I need to see the greatest digit, isn't it? So I repeat the greatest digit 2 times and then write the rest of the numbers. See, 66,54,321 is my greatest digit with the given 6 digits. Okay, so this is how I build numbers using some digits. If at all they ask you for more number of digits in the number and the given number of digits is less, just repeat the number. Okay, so you can repeat it as many times as they have asked you. And now in the case if numbers are like this, see 6, 0, 1, 2 and some 9 I write. Okay, so these are my digits and I need to build a number that is smallest number with 6 digits. Here there are 5 digits. I need to build a number with 6 digits. So how do I do? See, first I need to find the smallest number. Which is the smallest number here? Naturally 0. But does it start with 0? Does any number start with 0? No, isn't it? It should not start with 0. So I start with the next smallest number 1. But when I subsequently, that is the consecutive numbers should be placed such that the number should be smallest, isn't it? So I bring the 0 here, another 0, because given is for 5 digits, I need to build a number which is 6 digits, isn't it? So repetition is allowed. So 1, 2 times 0, then 2, 6, 9. So the number, smallest number that can be formed using the given digits is 1,269. Do you understand? So because we can't start with zeros. If it is like this, instead of this, if it is like this, then this is not a 6-digit number, this is a 2-digit number. 1,269 is the number, which is completely wrong. Do you understand? So it should not start with 0. So you need to pick the next smallest number and write it before the smallest number, which is 0. Now write the greatest number with this. So which is the greatest one? 6. Of course, again another 6. Sorry, 9 is the greatest number. 9. Again a 9. Then 6. Then 2, 1, 0. So what do we get? 9,96,210. We have repeated a number. That is, we have repeated 9 here and we have written the rest of the numbers, the rest of the digits. So we'll be getting the greatest number. Now do you understand how do we place zeros appropriately? Okay. Now this is what you call making numbers. Now we'll go to comparing numbers. how do you compare numbers? You know, comparing, you put greater, lesser symbol or equal to. So this you have studied right from your lower classes, isn't it? So first we'll divide this into digits, that is with same digits, number with same number of digits, not same digits, same number of digits, and the number which has different number of digits. Now different number of digits is going to be easier for you. Let me give examples for that. See, if some 3,25,402 is given and it has to be compared with 8,554. See, there are different number of digits in these two numbers, isn't it? This has 6 digits and this has 2 digits. So accordingly we can number it as 3,25,402 and this is 8,554. If you are if you are asked to compare these two numbers, obviously you know this is your greatest number, isn't it? Because the place value is greater here and number of digits is also greater here. So this will be very much easier for you to compare, isn't it? Different number of digits. But when same number of digits are asked for to compare, see, 3,349 is a number and the other number is 4,564. Now this will be quite easier for you because you see the last place value, that is a greater place value. You see 3 and 4 here, you compare these two. So always when you compare, see the larger place value, okay? So if these two are different, then it will be easier for you to say this is the greatest number, isn't it? So this is greater than this. This will be quite easier for you. But when you have the same number, 3,497, if this is the case, see the place value has, the larger place value has the same number 3. So you have to see the next place value, that is 3 here, here 4. So 300 and 400. Actually this is greater. If even this is same, then move on to the next place value. See 4 and 9, which is greater? 9 is greater. So this number 3,397 is greater than 349. If this is also same, then what do? Just leave this, compare the ones place. This is 9 and this is 7. Obviously this is greater, isn't it? So this is your greater number. So same number of digits and the same digits. So this may be quite confusing for you. So start with the larger place value and go by step. That will be easier for you to find out which is greater and which is smaller. So do you understand? So we have dealt with the systems, 3 systems, and I have started with the Indian system, and we have named the numbers by putting commas, and we have called the place values, greater place values we have seen, and then we have started with making numbers and comparing numbers. So that's it for this class, and the next class we'll be seeing more about numbers. Thank you.